So I tried the easiest 4-ingredient recipe for muffins, and mine turned out like this. Let me show y'all what happened.
Oh, I told them about these not brownies, but muffins that they had on, I saw it on YouTube and I saw it on Instagram. So what you use is a cup of peanut butter. So I'm gonna use a cup of peanut butter, and we have chunky, so crunchy, so we got to use what we have. 2 bananas, 2 eggs, and some blueberries. And I'm gonna mix it up and I'm making for him because he's cut back on a lot of sweets that he's been eating. So this will be a good treat for him. And I'm gonna make that for him. So let me get these eggs. This is only gonna take 2 eggs. Oh, let me get his blueberries. Okay, so I have the 2 eggs that I'm going to put in. 2 eggs, and then I have the blueberries. We're gonna see how it turns out. I'm definitely gonna let you all know. I have my muffin pan. I'm not making this many. We're gonna see how many it makes, and we'll go from there. I should do 2 cups and then 4 eggs and 4 bananas, but I don't want to do too much. We'll see, because I don't know. I mean, all these ingredients are good protein and good for him, so we're going to see how it works. Here they are in the pan. So it's going to be 9 muffins, and we're going to the oven. And I put the oven on 350. Here we go. And I don't remember them saying how long, so I have the muffins in the oven. I don't remember what time, the time limit they gave, or the temperature. So I put it on at 350 degrees, and I'm gonna do 15 minutes. I will check it at 10 because I have a gas stove, and you know, gas does cook a little faster. So we'll go from there, and I'll definitely give you all the outcome. Okay, so I'm taking some of them out. This is how they came out. They're not looking like the others, you know, the other muffins, but they are stiff, you know. They do have some fluff in them. Here are the muffins. Maybe it's because of the peanuts. I don't know. That's how my blueberries turned out. I didn't bake them too long. A cupcake of brownies. Give me your true opinion. Are they chewy? Is it good? It's good?
A lot of protein.
Does it taste good?
Yeah.
Do you taste the banana in it?
You taste the banana, the blueberries, and the peanut butter.
Okay. Well, glad you enjoy.